Hello, happy Thursday. It is another rainy day and everything is canceled. So we are home today and I did a grocery order. So we're gonna have a bunch of groceries delivered. I decided to stand up and do stories today so you guys could see how little she is. Like, it's easy to think like she's so big whenever I record, but whenever I hold her or see other people holding her, look at Bo. She always looks so little. That's how little she is. She's 10 pounds though, so she's actually big. She's gained 2 pounds since she was born, but so sweet. I love how she like molds to my body. It's so cute. And Bo is about ready to watch more tractors and hold baby because that's what he likes to do. So that's all that's going on here. Hope everybody's having a wonderful day. It's Rosie and baby Laura. She's getting big, isn't she? Yeah.
Because sometimes she has to open her eyes a lot.
Yeah, and now she's starting to look around. Yeah. You want to watch more trucks? Okay, I'll put it on. I think baby Laura loves you. Do you love your sister? She's smiling. Let me change the channel. Okay, hold on. Okay, we put tractors on. Okay. Do you think baby likes tractors? You want to give baby kisses on her head? You just kind of zoned out. You're so sweet. You are the sweetest brother. You are so sweet. She loves you. Yeah. You're a good brother. Hi, pretty princess. Are you trying to decide if you're gonna wake up or go to sleep? Hi. She says Mom's got that camera out again. I must be being cute. I must be being cute again. My pretty girl. Hi, pretty girl. Hi. Yeah, I love your new bike. Cora made those popsicles. Secret recipe, huh?
Are you recording us?